Welcome to Bamboo Beach Club Bar. I'm your cool bartender, Dana, and today I'll be making a mystic breeze. So first I'm going to add some ice into the shaker, some orange juice, a shot of Appleton, Sour Apple Liqueur, and remember, nothing's ever completed without the famous Bamboo Beach Club shake. Now from all that shaking, it's time to pour. But first, let's add some Grenadine into our glass. Ice. There you have it, the famous Mystic Breeze. Enjoy.